Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amanda and I'm a life and style blogger at Strawberry Chic, and in today's video I'm going to share all of my Nordstrom Anniversary sale purchases with you guys, and it's going to be a little bit different of a haul. I'm going to have it more vlog style. I'm actually shooting on my vlog camera today, and I'm going to try everything on for you guys so you can really see how it fits and also share my overall thoughts on it and whether I think it's definitely worth the price or overhyped. So I recently did a post on all the overhyped products from the Nordstrom Anniversary sale. Some of those are super popular every single year and I just don't understand, so I just shared my two thoughts on those types of products. So if you're interested in that, I will definitely leave the link to that blog post down in the description box below, so check it out before you make your purchases. If you want to see what I picked up in the Nordstrom Anniversary sale, then keep watching. Alright guys, so this is the first look. I recently put this on my Instagram and I was wearing a cardigan over it, so I will throw that on in a minute and talk about that, but I wanted to show you guys the jeans before I put the cardigan on. So these jeans are $99, so basically $100. They're 7 for all mankind. Let me show you guys up close. I really do like the detail at the bottom. I don't know if you guys can see that. And I really love the color. So a couple things to keep in mind for these jeans. They do run true to size. And if you're in between sizes or unsure, I would actually order down just because they are really stretchy. I think I could get away with either size. So when you are getting a really stretchy jean, you just have to kind of know that it's going to stretch out more and you're going to have to pull them up more, from what I've found in the past. With jeans, if they're really structured, they're going to stay there and keep their shape. I'm going to do a quick search to see if I can find anything similar in this color because I really like the color, but the overall jean I don't think is, to be honest, worth $100, at least for my wallet. I don't have a ton of designer jeans, so you know, it really has to be a staple for me to keep. My top is from last year from Calcin. I don't know if I'm saying that right or not, but they have a similar one this year. If you're interested, I will leave it linked down below. And then this scarf, I'm definitely a huge fan of. It's like $23. I love the color. I know I'm going to get a lot of wear out of it. Okay, so here is the cardigan. I'm going to show you guys last year's version just so you kind of know in case you have that one already. This one has a more rounded edge, which kind of has its positives and negatives. I like it from the front, but not as much from the side. It kind of looks a little weird to me. I don't know. I'm being picky. But in the BP cardigans, you can get away with sizing down. This is an extra small. I'm typically a small, sometimes even a medium in BP. But cardigans, I like to size down just because they tend to be really big and bunchy. Okay, so I just took off this year's version. This is $31.90. And just so you can see, I don't know, it's kind of hard to tell. But this year's is a little teeny bit warmer toned. A little, I wouldn't say it's yellow, but it has more of a yellow undertone. Last year has a little more gray undertone. To be honest, when I felt this one, my last year's cardigan is a lot softer. I don't know if it's because I've had it and it's worn in or not. But as you can see, last year was a lot more kind of oversized and a little more casual than this year's version. This is also an extra small, so. Okay, so this is obviously kind of hideous on me. It's so big. I feel like I'm the abominable snowman. So this is the beloved Barefoot Dreams, and yes, it is so soft, and this one's even more soft than the regular cardigan. However, I would definitely recommend the circle cardigan more just because I wouldn't wear this one out of the house. Like, this looks like straight up pajamas. And I would love to afford, I would love to be able to afford like a $90 cardigan that I would only wear in my house, but it's definitely just not worth it. But this is the small medium. That was the only size they had. I don't know if they have an extra small and I just didn't see it available, but I don't know. The sizing is definitely different compared to regular Barefoot Dreams, and this one's more expensive. So definitely get the circle cardigan. I will show you guys that one next. And if you want something really cozy to wear around the house, then this is great. I mean, it really is soft and comfortable. But like I said, I'm going to be returning this just because I can't afford a $90 house cardigan. Okay, so I wouldn't necessarily put these two together. It's honestly not as horrible as I thought it would be, but I'm just wanting to show you guys the cardigan. This is the circle cardigan, and their sizing is pretty much like extra small, small, or medium large. So this is the extra small, small. And this is definitely one that you can get away with wearing in and out of the house. I actually wore mine to work today. This one is actually going to go back because I bought it for somebody. They don't have a Nordstrom card. They tried to get this cardigan so many times last year that I was like, I will just buy it for you in early access because it might not be available. But I ended up buying a different color and that one's on the way. But I definitely recommend these if you want something kind of just cozy, feel good, but you can still get away with wearing this out. Barefoot Dreams is just like my jam. So what are y'all's thoughts on this color combo? I think it works for sure. Because typically I get scared to pair colors with each other. But I feel like it's like a surprise color combo that I kind of like. Don't be distracted by my shoes. I'm going to talk about those in a minute. So this pair of denim is from last year. These are the like infamous AG jeans that are in the sale every single year. This was like one of my number ones last year and I wore them a ton throughout fall. And I think they're a really great staple. To be honest, I would recommend investing in at least one pair of designer jeans in this sale. I feel like most people live in jeans in the fall and winter time. If it's not jeans, it's leggings for me at least. So I am glad that I invested in these and they still feel brand new. They still keep their stretch really well when you wash them. I honestly don't wash jeans a ton. I try not to overwash them just so they don't get lightened in the wash. These are 28s. They run true to size. I remember last year I did order a 27 and a 28 because I was worried about them selling out. They don't go up as high. Like they're fine. But since they're a little stretchy, they do go down a little bit, but I don't have to constantly pull them up. They don't feel as stretchy as the 7 for All Mankind. Okay, this is the Trouvé sweater that I raved about in my blog post recently. I think it hangs really nice. The material is really nice. I do like the side slit just because sometimes sweaters can get really bulky at my waist and I don't love that. But I also love that it's long enough to wear with leggings in the fall time. I really like this color to pair it with leopard. I pictured wearing this with a leopard scarf. I just couldn't find it because I put it away for the spring and summer. But they run true to size. This is a small, and I think these are a really good buy for $45. Okay, so these shoes I thought I would love, but they just don't feel like me, and I feel like they're not in my comfort level. With the leopard and the bow, it's just a little too loud for my personal style. I'm really kind of classic and casual and basic, I think, in my style. So I did actually order the halogen pair without the bow. They're a little less pointy, I think, too. So I will let you guys know what I think about those when I pick them up on Friday. But yeah, I thought I would love these, but these are going to go back. And definitely, I would recommend getting up a half size. This is my true size. As you can see, I feel like I'm not in the shoe all the way just because of the point. But if you want these, just order up a half size. They're like $20 more than the other pair, so that's also why I just decided to get the other pair instead and return these. I mean, they feel so long. Like I feel like I'm like wearing skis or like scuba things, like the fins or something. I'm gonna stop. Alright, so this is the BP that I know you've probably seen everywhere in the sale because these are only basically $12, and I honestly do think you should at least throw one of these in your cart. The quality, it's really soft. I know last year's version, it shrunk when I dried it, so keep that in mind. I probably wouldn't put it in the dryer, but I also sized up this year just in case it did. And I kind of like the like really loose casual fit. So this is a medium. I'm typically a small. I like that the sleeve is a little bit longer on this one, and I think that this shape is pretty flattering. I would tie this as well. I did a video on my Instagram. If you want to see the easiest way to tie your shirts without messing them up, I can probably leave the link to the Instagram down below. And then I'm wearing the same AG jeans. And also, I wanted to mention these. These are not in the Nordstrom Anniversary sale, but I wear these all the time to work. I actually need to clean them because I have to like lift a table up with my shoe. But these are on sale right now on the actual Nordstrom clearance for like $20-something. I want to get multiple colors. I always get compliments on these, so I think I size up in mules just so my foot doesn't feel like it's falling off. So this is the top. It's actually from Lush from last year that shrunk up, and I don't love this one as much as I like the one from this year. I do wear it a ton. And I tied it up super quick, so definitely check that out if you're wondering how to get this look. These are the STS blue jean, and these are $38. So that's why I wanted to try them, just so I could let you guys know my thoughts on them if you're looking for a more wallet-friendly item in the sale, but still a staple. So I've never actually tried anything from this brand before. And to be honest, I was pretty impressed with the fit. Like, I feel like I just put them on. They don't stretch, but they fit like a glove. And they really suck you in very well. I haven't had them on long enough to know if they're going to stretch out or not. So I'll let you guys know when I actually wear them. But let's see. They're true to size. They go up a little teeny bit higher than the AG jeans, I think. And the ankle's not as skinny. These are more of a straight leg pant. They feel a little different than most jeans I have just because they're not as stretchy. So they really kind of suck you in, I think, really well. Okay, so here is the pink J. Crew blazer. I'm such a fan of this, and I don't really know why, because I don't wear blazers. Like, I feel like it's just a little too dressy for my style, but I think I like this one because I feel like I can dress it down easier because it's just pink. So it just makes more sense to me because it's pink, I guess. I don't know, but I'm wearing a size 4, and if you want a more like laid back casual look, then I would say get your regular size. So I would normally wear 4. But if you want it to be more structured and in a business setting, you can size down and make it more like fitted and professional looking. This is really stretchy. I think I just like the material of it. It is more of an investment piece. So this jacket is $110, and after the sale it will be $200. So I think it's a really great value. If you're looking for a blazer, I definitely love this one. It does come in different colors too. If you can't wear pink to work, they do have like black and navy, I think. I will leave the color options down below. I have a J. Crew blazer from years ago that, to be honest, is nowhere near the quality of this one. This one's not as stuffy feeling, and it's not as uncomfortable to wear. It's just really stretchy and a little bit lighter weight than my old J. Crew blazer. So maybe that's why I haven't liked blazers, because I had to wear that one when I worked at Coach years ago. So this is the halogen cardigan, and I didn't buy it this year, but they do have these again in the sale this year. These I picked up last year, so the colors might be a little different, but I wore these a ton to work just because they're really like a lot thinner than the typical cardigan, but they still kept me warm. Because I mean, we're women. We're always cold at work, aren't we? I just think these are really soft and comfortable. They are a lot longer in length. I'm just under 5'5". I would say if you are really petite, it probably wouldn't be the most flattering on you. So this is the pink color. I think they have something similar. I think it's a little brighter and more corally this year, but this is a small, and I also have it in gray I'll throw on real quick. Okay, so I just realized my pink one that I just had on is a small petite, and then this one is a regular small. Oh, is there food on this? What is that? I just noticed. Probably food. Let's be real. Okay, so I am almost done. These are actually 2 returns. I think this was only $25, so I threw it in my cart just because in case it sold out type of thing. It says Gold Digger. It's really soft and comfortable. I just personally don't need it. I did order the Wubby whatever. It's like, it sounds a little weird. The Wubby fleece pullover. I haven't received it yet. I'm hoping it doesn't get canceled, but I figured I would just grab that one instead of this one. So I'm just gonna return it. If you are looking for a comfy casual and a more affordable pullover, then this one's really nice. I would just size up like 2 sizes. I'm normally a small, so I probably would normally order a medium just to be like a little more oversized, but this is actually a large, and it's still pretty short. It's not short enough to complain about, but it is definitely a little more kind of like old school sweatshirt looking. But I will show you guys really quick to tie it up. So here's the sweatshirt tied, and it would be really cute, like even for now, like in the fall when you're wearing shorts and that type of thing. And then these Adidas I am returning just because I was kind of not expecting them to be this neon. I don't know why I wasn't expecting them to be this neon, but even in person they're a little more sherbet neon than they're showing up here. They look cute there, but I think I just want more neutral looking shoes. So, and I definitely wouldn't run in these. I think these are a running shoe, but I personally wouldn't feel comfortable running in them. I would just wear them for like lifestyle type looks. So these are those STS jeans, and I just wanted to revisit them really quickly since I've had them on a couple minutes. I feel like they are they're starting to stretch out in like this area. They haven't lost their shape or anything. It's almost like they're starting to like form to me, but they are definitely starting to get a little more stretched out. I think they're 99% cotton and 1% spandex. I'm not 100% sure. I mean, I think if you live in jeans and need multiple pairs, you can get these, but I just tend to reach for like my favorite two, and these probably wouldn't be my favorite two. Alright, so those are all my purchases from the Nordstrom Anniversary sale. I hope you guys enjoyed today's more casual type of video, and let me know what your thoughts are on the sale. What are you trying to purchase, or what's on your list, or what do you think is just not worth the hype? Definitely let me know down in the comments below what you think. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.